back, girl. Yeah, I think I am live now. Let's see. Yeah, I am live. Okay, perfect. The fuck wasn't that? Yeah, I am live. Okay. Okay. All right. All right. So you can see I took a little trade. Took this long right here. Something like this. But my stop's like right here. But since it's a fucking pre-market trade, I really don't trust pre-market trades like that. So, you know, I just got off. So really, I'm not supposed to be trading at that time. So I was like, yeah, no. So what I was looking for is data high and then previous day high. I was hoping they wouldn't take it out before fucking market open, but I guess here we are. But yeah, so I mean that just means there's not gonna be an early trade here. So I guess we gotta wait. What we about to get here? I mean, reason for this trade here, pretty simple. I mean, we're obviously bullish, you know. Like, it's really not much else to say, bro. We were just bullish as hell. We made an SMT, and we ran up. Entry will be here. I did get in a little early, to be honest, but I was pretty confident that we're gonna give that second move up, which is the confirmation. Yeah, I really was not hoping for, like, damn, bro. I guess they're going for the data low here. Might as well just mark it up. Speaking of data low, I tried to trade CPI on this account. Top Step didn't let me, which was actually a blessing in disguise. Because this move here, this manipulation would have got me. So, you know, it's actually a good thing that that didn't happen. But what I'm looking for here, obviously longs. I can't just long this yet. Might be sitting here for a while. Yeah, we got an SMT with a previous day high here. I can't look for shorts either, so yeah. Pretty much a no trade area. Because ES might want to SMT with the data high here because they're very close to it. Like it's pretty likely they're gonna hit it, but if they don't, you know, it's still it's still expected also. If they do, that just kind of further strengthens my short bias here. I mean long bias. Only way I would look for a short here is if price runs lower, gets close to that low, gives me a retracement, then I enter. That's the only way I would look for a short. Other than that, no, can't short this. Not where I'm at right now. I got no SMT so far. I might want to mark this up there. show my executions. You can see I added more and more once we started running up here, which, like I said, was the confirmation that we're gonna run higher. But looking back, I actually would have passed this account already, man. Cause these 2 days I really shouldn't have lost. It's just that it got to my fucking daily loss limit that I set for myself. But yeah, now like this actually should have won. I mean, I actually should have passed this account already. Which kind of sucks. It is what it is, man. I guess. But I am gonna go all out on this trade though that I'm gonna take if I do find one. I'm gonna go all in. I'm gonna try to make at least 1,500 for the day. We got a little S&T right here. The model hasn't presented itself yet. Would have preferred it to tap this. But I'll be right back. Okay, if we can get a swing here, that would be nice. I'm gonna have to give it a go. Let me see, there's no. Okay, we got this here. There's no 15. Okay, there is 15 right here. Yeah, I might have to wait for this 15-minute to close. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for this 15-minute to close. Or if it's about to close, I can anticipate it. Do we have a 5-minute? No. Perfect target here, 930 high. Ran lower, continue, boom. This is also the model here for a short, but there's no targets for me. So, well, obviously this would be a target, but I don't know if we're gonna hit that. This would be a valid short though. Let's get in this bitch.
Order filled.
So we go for 1 or 2. But yeah, that would be a valid short if we had a target down there. It's just hard for me to short this. Aside from this, the data low, there's really nothing else here. Like we're bullish as fuck, bro. Actually, maybe this would have been valid on ES. Still at the same time, like they're supposed to be correlated anyway, so. 4 minutes till the 15 closes. Oh, we'll see what we can get. Fuck. 25. So that would be 22 here. No, no, no. 12. Yeah, that'd be 24. Tap into this. Tap the wick, but okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Almost fucked that up. I don't want to trade that account. You see my payout is approved now. I've been waiting since last week. Of course, not yet. Okay, 15 minutes open here. Better make it bottom wick. And let's get that type of move right there. I'm liking this. I'm looking at this here. Only thing that worries me is really this low here. They could grab that shit. It would be even better if we SMT this. Okay, perfect. SMT that 15-minute low. Actually, I'm not looking for much here, actually. I'm looking for 1 to 1.5. It's pretty much right here.
Order filled.
Bad feel. But we actually only need 1200. Yeah, like right here. I mean, my feel really isn't that much off. At 3 points ain't shit. You're not gonna be hitting that shit perfectly when you mark it open. I mean, you mark it execute. Let's just see if price wants to be smooth. So we are SMTing those highs that we just took out. I'm actually gonna trail here. I don't want to see price come back there. That should give me, how much is that? 606. Okay. It should only put me $300 in drawdown if this loses. I don't want to see price come back there. Nice. Perfect. No fair value in the 15. That's exactly what we want to see. I'm gonna trail right here. See, it don't make sense for price to go all the way back.
Order filled.
That's what I'm fucking talking about, man. Come on, man. What was that? Thank you, Lord. Whoa, I'm close to. Oh, no, I'm on my. I'm at 51.9, bro. I thought it was 52.9. Oh, made back all those losses. Thank you. Thank you. I really was not supposed to lose these days. NASDAQ bless me today. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. This shit too good, bro. I'm geeking right now, man. Because I just love it when it's this smooth, bro. Beautiful. I mean, I don't really want to reveal too much, man. Like, I don't think what I'm doing is anything special. You know, like my strat is not anything special, but I don't really want to say anything about it because it's so good. Because the only way you lose is if you're wrong about the move itself, like where the price should be going. You know what I'm saying? Because there's a lot of times where you're wrong about your position, but you're not wrong about your move. Just like the past couple of days that's been happening to me. You know, right here. I think this is right here. Yep. My first trade, I was just wrong about my position, but the move was still right. Yeah, nah, I can't because in this one right here with the live stream yesterday, I did lose the first trade. I didn't show that. Well, let me show you guys. It's like right here. I did lose the first trade. I shorted this one right here, but I had my stop here. When my stop was taken out, the setup itself wasn't invalidated. It was still valid, which is why I re-entered right here. That was just so smooth, bro. Cause lately, man, like it's just like the market be moving so smooth, right? And then as soon as I get in, bro, they be on some bullshit. So, I'm really glad about this, man. But I think that's it for me, bro. I'm not gonna sit
So
here smooth, bro. And just cause lately, man, like it's just like, yeah. I think that's it for me, man. There's really not much else to say. This trade is still valid. Don't let this fucking what they got it. Don't let that retracement scare you. Still valid trade. Let me lock this up because I don't need to trade this. I really was not supposed to have two accounts. If anything, this is just giving you an opportunity to get in. Look, they didn't take out this high right here yet. This is a good target in itself. Oh yeah, that's nice. For me to take this, I guess this would be enough, but preferably I would want to see price close above this. I mean, they might take this out. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I'm not sure, but it's still valid. Still valid. Pretty much what I can say is, as long as this low holds here, this setup is still valid. You know, let's just sit here. I'll just sit here until they take out that 930 high. Or they might not take it out. Or ES might take out data lows. And if it does that, then obviously NQ is gonna be moving with it. It doesn't mean it's gonna take out their data low, but it's gonna be going down with it. Yeah, let's just sit here for a bit. Yeah, I'm pretty much done for the day, man. That was just textbook trade for me. Yeah, I can't say anything bad about what I did. Maybe the entry, but like if you market execute, it's gonna be like that. So I can't really fault myself for that. And plus, there's only 3 points difference anyway. So yeah. Damn. But yeah. Yeah, you can pretty much just get in at the close right here. Probably. Yeah, wait for it to close that and then wait for a retracement. Because more than likely, it's not just gonna run. Probably would want to wait for a retracement. Or the safest thing to do is, wait for price to set up this same, I don't call it a pattern. It kind of is a pattern. Same pattern again. But yeah. This might lose actually. Yeah, like I said, if we take this out, the trade setup is invalid. I got my piece though, man. But the way, I mean, because how I've been trading this setup is like quick in and out trades, like 1-to-1s most of the time. But also you can hold it all the way to the target, obviously. But in this case, it would have been better off than 1-to-1. So my stop was right there. Yeah, we're up here. That's pretty good. Yeah, can't complain about 1.6. We got a little S&T right here. I can't really trust this, man. There's just no target, man. But if there was, this would be a good trade right here. This is the exact same setup. Actually, I just realized I got stopped out of this one.
Order filled.
My heart stopped for a bit. What the fuck just happened? Wait, what?
Order filled.
What the fuck just happened?
Order filled.
Fuck it. Yeah, it's looking like ES is gonna take out the data low, which, like I said, NQ is gonna follow with it. Doesn't mean it's gonna take out their data low, but it's gonna follow. This actually just sets it up even better. So if we tap this right here, and we, we do the same thing that I just did, it's gonna be an even better trade. But yeah, I think that's it, man. I'm gonna end this. I pretty much said everything I needed to say. I still think we're gonna run higher here, unless NQ gets close to this. You can look for entry short. Other than that, from here, yeah, just longs pretty much. Yeah, that's a